Nekere bono aba MCA bagendrete gotiani wase chinsemo aho iri gochako bokoreri bwabo bene gochiasa abananchi litkoria rero ase county assembly ya Kisii nigo aba MCA 50 nebere no yomo baba gotiani wabene abo bali ira yo gochako bwatrana eri gokorera omwananchi emirimo asenchira ebwenerete muri keito Vincent Onyancha nabagawikirana sensemeyo nagotwarira rero roboti urwasenchira yabene.
Honorable members, standing order number 32B further requires that on the first sitting of a new county assembly, pursuant to the governor's notification under standing order number 31 of Kisii County Assembly standing orders, the clerk shall lay a list of the names of the persons selected as members on the table of the county assembly as published in the Gazette.
Numukarani we county ya Kisii James Nyahoga gako igora beno gotiani wakobo MCA abwasaba MCA 50 nebere no yomo baikirana somo yogoyo aba MCA abachore 45 nigo batiani gwalera sebunga ya county ya Kisii kuria ira yogo chwekerani obakorri bwabo gwanchiriya goteyo asabo igo nominated MCAs 45 yomo boigo baikirana.
To the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya.
I, Oyagi, Asimundi Cosmas, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly.
Committee member of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duty and perform my functions
in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws and the conventions of Parliament, that I shall do justice to all.
Do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya.
Nonyina bo okugania nigo kwa buri gwa bali bale no bale makoigwa libagali tangani kuria ira asobo koreri engana boigo yatuguterware boigo asabara ibande bali ere ntunde yabe ntangani goikase bunge nigo banyoro chinga gichinkongu ekero bale gotianigwa.
The County Assembly Committee member of Kisii County that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the state of peace, and I the people of Kenya, and I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws and the Constitution of the Constitution of Parliament, that I shall do swear that I shall.
Maiga yogotiani gwani gobone bikarubye bunge ya county ya Kisii birachaka bene jitali kinye umutinyo 10 ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa imeye bunge ya county ya Kisii elieterane nkoro kwa Vincent